नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the preparation of suspension. Preparation of suspension topic belongs to the pharmaceutics practical for the B Form first semester. Firstly, this practical perform on the lab. So, firstly, we will discuss about the what is the definition and overall theoretical and introductive part of the suspension. So, the definition suspension may be defined as the preparation containing a finely divided drug particle distributed somewhat uniformly throughout a vehicle in which the drug exhibit a minimum degree of solubility. Minimum degree of solubility. Minimum degree of the solubility. So, suspension are the biphasic liquid doses form of medicaments in which the finely divided solid particles, the range of solid particles in suspension from 0.5 to 5.0 micron. Suspension are used in orally, parenterally, and also externally. So they are chemically stable than solution. So that according to particle size of the dispersed phase, suspension are divided into two parts. First one is coarse suspension and second one is colloidal suspension. Coarse suspension, which is dispersion of particle with a mean diameter greater than 1 micrometer. So the colloidal suspension, which is dispersion of particle with a mean diameter less than 1 micrometer. So the reason for suspension, what is the reason for suspension? If patient has a difficulty of swallowing solid doses form, a need for oral liquid doses form, faster rate of dissolution and oral absorption, then solid doses form yet slower than solution. Drugs that have very low solubility are usually formulated as suspension. Drugs that have an unpleasant taste and their soluble form, example chloramphenicol, soluble versus chloramphenicol palmitate, insoluble. So the what is the property of good emulsion, good suspension? Suspension should be settled slowly and should be readily redispersed upon shaking of container. So the suspension is pourable and particles in suspension are small and relatively uniform in size. So that the product is free from a gritty texture. So the what is the classification of the suspension based on general class? Oral suspension, example paracetamol suspension, and externally applied suspension, example calamine lotion. So the parenteral suspension, example insulin zinc suspension. So the based on proportion of solid particles, dilute suspension 2 to 10% weight by volume solid, example cortisone acetate and prednisolone acetate. So the concentrated suspension 50% weight by volume, solid, example zinc oxide suspension. So the based on the electrokinetic nature of the solid particles, flocculated and deflocculated. So overall the theoretical introduction of the suspension. So we move to to prepare and submit 50 ml of barium sulfate suspension. Some apparatus we will use mortar pestle, beaker 250 ml and measuring cylinder 10 ml. So a spatula and glass rod. Material formula, barium sulfate suspension, barium sulfate 350 gram and methyl cellulose 2% 20 gram and twin 80 for 60 ml. Now we come to the flavoring agent 5.0 ml and saccharin sodium 0.5 gram and sorbitol solution 70% 150.0 ml. Purified water 2000 ml and fit let to be made, dropped and large amount of swallow in one time. So the what is the small introductory part? A suspension is heterogeneous mixture in which solute like particles settle out of solvent like phase sometimes after their introduction. A suspension of liquid droplets or fine solid particles in a gas is called as aerosol. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but get suspended throughout the bulk of the solvent, left floating and around freely in the medium. So what is the procedure? Prepare the methyl cellulose solution by adding a small amount of normal water subsequently. Wet the barium sulfate using tween 80 and add methyl cellulose solution in subsequent amount and triturate well. So dissolve the flavor and saccharine in sorbitol solution and pour into the suspension. Finally, add purified water and complete to volume. Uses: it is used as a media during X-ray examination and dose whole amount in one time. Storage: store in a well-closed container and tight closed container. Secondary label auxiliary sequel before use. So this is the label of the barium sulfate suspension for the 50 ml. Also mention on the label all over information regarding the barium sulfate suspension. So this is the complete session and complete practical protocol. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.